Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Roccabox. Before I start lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. If you're new to Roccabox, Roccabox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, and every month you will receive 5 to 6 items from skincare to makeup. And this month lovelies, Roccabox, they're celebrating their 4th year, so happy birthday Roccabox. And this month also, this box was kindly sent to me for my honest review, so I want to thank you Roccabox, and also I want to thank you also all of you lovelies because of your trust and continuing support. I just read some of the info for this month, and it says Roccabox, the monthly beauty subscription box, celebrates its 4th birthday this month, and to celebrate in true Roccabox style, it's 3 things. Subscribe to a mammoth, I don't know that word, beauty box edited by some of the UK top influencers. So it contains 5 products plus a bonus product, handpacked by a beauty savvy trio of influencers, which is M. Sheldon, LDN Diaries, and Beauty Big Sister. So Roccabox was first launched in March 2016. Wow, it was the only beauty box in the UK that was curated solely by influencers. Oh, I didn't know that. First of its type and an early recognizer of the power of influencers, Roccabox went on to work with some of the UK leading beauty blogger and hero influencers. So let's start. So it came with this box, with this their usual box, a pink box with it says Roccabox in here, and here it says money can buy happiness, but it can buy a Roccabox. That's true. And then we have inside, as you can see, it says taking you on a journey of beauty discovery. Yes, let me put the box in here. So inside here we have, as always, the leaflet, and then we have this one here, which is the Loccitane award-winning natural beauty of Provence since 1976. It says in here with all the info about Loccitane. And then it says get 10% off your first purchase using the code Roccabox if you want to use this one, if you want to purchase something in Loccitane, so you can use this code. And now let's see the leaflet. So Roccabox birthday box. Guess what, Roccababes? It's our birthday, our 4th birthday to be exact. Yeah, it's 4 whole years since Roccabox launch. So this month we're celebrating by giving you a box that's been created by the very first influencers we ever worked with. Those of you who are new to Roccabox might not know this, but back in the day, every single Roccabox was edited by a well-known beauty blogger. So we've teamed back up with the very first beauty influencer to ever create boxes for us, and asked them to choose a must-have product each for our birthday box. M. Sheldon, LDN Diaries, and Beauty's Big Sister Makeup, our beauty savvy trio, and what a power squad they are. We were specific with our brief to them. Choose something that has worked hard to earn its place in your bathroom cabinet or makeup bag. Oh, and I could not resist adding in a couple of my current favorites too. So here we have it, Roccababes. This is what they choose for you. Enjoy. Love, Tia. So here we go. So let's start with M. Sheldon Choice. So Choice is this from Marc Jacobs fine liner. So this is just a deluxe sample size, and yeah, I think I read also in their blog that if you are a new subscriber, you could receive this one, and if you are a current subscriber from Roccabox, you will receive mascara but I'm not 100% sure. I just read that one. Today I received the felt tip liner, which is, I'm really happy because I have few of Marc Jacobs mascara in my collection, and I really do like them, but I never tried the eyeliner. As you can see, lovelies, I use a lot of black eyeliner, black pencil eyeliner. I use that in my waterline under my eye. So yes, let's see inside. Inside we have this here, and I don't know how much product we have in here. We have 0.04 grams, so it just, yeah, just a deluxe sample size. And inside we have this, and loveliest, once you twist up the product, it won't twist down anymore. I can't twist it down, so yeah, bear in mind that one. And let's watch it. I'm really sorry for the sound outside, but yeah, here we go. So it's really black, and look at that. Once it's settled, lovely, it doesn't smudge anymore. I don't know if it's a waterproof one, but it doesn't smudge. Yeah, it smudged a bit, but it's not a lot. Can't wait to try this one. Usually I wear makeup throughout the day, so if it doesn't smudge this one, this is a good one. It doesn't smudge, but yeah, here we go. So this one, it's rated for 8 pounds. So this product, it's rated for 8 pounds. And here it says, lovely, Marc Jacobs eye products are great for a glam eye look. They are such high quality. This clever crayon glides on for a super fine yet flawless. Yes, when I swatch it, lovely, it glides on easily, and it's quite soft. So wait to try this one. And then the next one we have in here, which is this is from Beauty's Big Sisters, Daisy's Choice. This is the Loccitane Almond Milk Concentrate. So this is the product, and this one, it's a travel size, and it's rated for 12 pounds 50. And inside it has the seal down, but let's open it. I really curious. I really want to smell it. Oh, so yeah, it smells like almond. Smells gorgeous, lovelies. I know Loccitane products are very nice. I really heard good reviews about the brand. It's gorgeous, lovely. Smells really nice. And here she said, I absolutely adore this gorgeous body cream. It has soft whip texture. It melts into skin so quickly and leaves me with the most beautiful satin-like sheen. The almond scent, it is so addictive too. I love drenching my whole body in it before I get into my PJs at nighttime. Yeah, it has like mousse texture. Here we go. And let's, oh, it feels really nice and smells gorgeous. It feels really nice on the skin. I hope it will be like moisturizing, because if I need to leave it during the night, I need a good hydration, moisturizing one. Yeah, but it smells really nice and smells gorgeous. And now this is the LD and Diaries Paula's Choice. So here we go, and this is the Beauty Pro Hair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. So here we go. This is a full size product, and this one is rated for 5 pounds and 95 pence. And here it says argan oil, jojoba seed oil, goji berry, suitable for hair type, conditioning and nourishing, leaves hair silky smooth. And she said here, if you have ever wanted the effect of a sheet mask but for your hair, then this is it. This mask is so quick and easy to use, and is great for bringing my hair back to life with its conditioning oils. I can just sit back with it on and check my phone whilst it works. It's magic. I tried few products from Beauty Pro. Their hand mask, it's really good. Their face mask, it's really good. So, but I never tried a hair mask, so I'm really curious to try. And now, lovelies, this is the Roccabox Choice. And let's start with the mono skin. This one is the product that I'm really excited to try. As you know, lovelies, on the first week of the month, of the first day when I got the info, I always do my lineup spoiler of these products. I will pop on the top here. So yeah, this one is the product that I'm really curious to try. I'm really excited to try, and this is from Monoskin Illuminating Primer with SPF 15. I like with the SPF 15, and this one, it's a full size and it's rated for 36 pounds. And as you know, I tried few products from Monoskin that I received in my other subscription boxes, and they are really good. So but I never tried this illuminating primer one with SPF 15. And here it says, like so many of you, I've been dabbling a lot more with skincare lately and have been on the hunt for the perfect primer at the moment. I'm loving this. It blurs imperfection, help my foundation to glide on smoothly, and leaves me with a nourished complexion and lasting glow. Great hack. If I'm short on time and don't fancy the extra step, I simply mix some in with my foundation for radiant and moisture boost. And SPF, even though it's winter, lovelies, I always recommend to wear them because it's very important. So yes, I'm gonna try this one and then I will let you know. I always do empties now, so my review will be there. So here we go. And then the next one we have, it's the Roccabox Choice, and this is 2 products, and this is from Anatomical. Still It Wits Ignore Their Myths Mint Hand Sanitizer. It has 40 ml and this is a full size. And we have also the Mint Hand Cream, and this is a 40 ml too. So we have 2 products here, and as I said before, love this Anatomical. I tried before, I got it in other subscription boxes too, and I honestly don't like the smell and how it works on my skin. It's just my personal experience. But yeah, but I never tried the mint one, and I want to try the hand sanitizer. This is really a must right now. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells like toothpaste. It smells like that. So yeah, it's like a gel, and yeah, I don't know why I need to swatch it, but yeah, it smells like toothpaste. It smells like that. And this one, it's rated for 5 pounds both. And this one, it says, I just love everything about this brand. It's fun, it's quirky, it's always got something amusing to say, and yet its product genuinely delivered. There's no getting away from the fact that hand sanitizer and hand cream have become 2 absolute handbag staples this year. They are must right now. So why not make sure your smells better, look more eye-catching, and feel nicer to use? The 99% of the hand sanitizer and the hand creams out there. So yes, this is the 2 product. And the last product, lovely, it's a treat one, and this is from Isoclean makeup brush cleaner. Ooh, so let's open it. So here we go. I think this is just a sample size, but I heard from this brand before, lovelies, and I heard really good reviews. So I'll try this one. And then we see the leaflet inside. Here it says, suffering breakouts, dirty makeup brushes reintroduce bacteria to your skin with every single makeup application. It says in here. And here it said how to use it. Just pour this into deep tray provided until half full. Dip the tip of the brush into solution. You will notice makeup being removed from the brush. The Isoclean solution will change color. Remove brush from Isoclean and wipe squeeze bristle with a paper towel until the brush feels dry to touch. So this one, lovelies, doesn't need water. You just need to tap this one in one of the tray and put your brush, and then use the towel to take off all the product, and it's already dry. I might try this one. I'm really curious to try. So here it says, helps to prevent acne breakout and congestion, antibacterial and antiviral, prevents skin infection, fast drying formula, prolongs the life of your brushes, helps achieve smooth, precise brush coverage. So yes, I'm gonna try this one and then I will let you know. As you can see, that's all for this month. But I think I think I really like this box, to be honest. I will definitely use every single product. I will use the Marc Jacobs one. I never tried their eyeliner, so I'm really curious to try this one. I'm gonna try this one, the Isoclean one. I heard really good reviews about this product, so I'm really curious to try too. I'm gonna try this one, which is the monoskin one, which is the primer, illuminating with SPF 15. So yes, I will try this. Definitely these are the must product right now, which is mint hand sanitizer and hand cream. Definitely will try, and they are perfect size in your bag, definitely. And then this one, Loccitane. I never tried Loccitane body product before, but this one smells gorgeous, lovely. It smells like almond oil, and the texture is like a mousse. So yes, I really like this one. And then I think this is the last one, which is the Beauty Pro one, which is I never tried, so I'm curious to try. So overall for me, lovelies, I will use every single product, so it's worth the money. And it's only 10 pounds, and I think this one is worth like 40 to 50 pounds. I'm not sure. I will pop in here the total at the end. But yes, lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Roccabox? And they gave me also, lovelies, 10% off. So if you wanna use that one, I will pop the code in here and also in the description box below. So yes, let me know what you think of this math box, this math Roccabox, in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the videos. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. I have the black one. Bye. Mwah.